How can I track the International Space Station tonight? Imagine gazing up at the night sky and spotting a bright, steady light moving across the stars, faster than any airplane. That's the International Space Station, orbiting Earth at about 17,141 miles per hour, roughly 260 miles above the surface. The good news is you don't need a telescope or any special gear to see it. Several tools make it simple to know exactly when and where to look. The International Space Station completes a full orbit around Earth every 92 minutes, which means it passes over different locations many times a day and night. Because it moves so quickly and is so high up, it can be visible from your location for several minutes at a time. When it's visible, it appears as one of the brightest objects in the sky, shining with a steady glow. To start tracking it tonight, your best bet is to use free online trackers or mobile apps designed for this purpose. NASA offers an official app called Spot the Station, which is available worldwide in many languages. This app provides real-time tracking, shows you upcoming flyover times for your specific location, and even sends alerts a few minutes before the station passes overhead. Just download the app, enter your location, and it will tell you when the International Space Station will be visible from where you are. If you prefer using a web browser, several websites offer live tracking maps that show the station's current position and its orbit path. These maps display the station's altitude, speed, latitude, and longitude in real time. Some trackers show the station's path 90 minutes into the past and 90 minutes into the future, helping you understand its route. They often use different colors to indicate whether the station is in Earth's shadow or in sunlight, which affects whether you can see it. For smartphone users, apps like ISS Detector are popular. They notify you a few minutes before the station passes overhead and check weather conditions to help you plan the best viewing time. This app can also track other satellites like the Hubble Space Telescope or SpaceX's Starlink satellite trains if you want to expand your space watching. Other web tools include Astronomy, which shows what astronauts see looking down from the station, and SatFlare, which offers a three-dimensional view of the station's path to help you predict visible passes. When the station passes overhead, it usually appears as a bright, steady light moving silently across the sky. And like airplanes, it has no blinking lights and shines with a consistent glow. It moves faster than most aircraft and takes several minutes to cross the sky from horizon to horizon. The best viewing times are early in the morning or shortly after sunset, when the sky is dark but the station is still illuminated by the sun. The International Space Station orbits at an inclination that makes it appear to travel from west to east across the sky, but Earth's rotation causes it to shift westward with each orbit. That's why the passes change from night to night, and it's important to check your specific tracking tools for accurate times. To track it tonight, visit NASA's Spot the Station website or download the app, enter your location, and look for the predicted pass times. Note the exact time and direction the station will appear, and set a reminder on your phone a few minutes before. When the time comes, step outside to a clear, dark spot away from bright lights, and look in the direction indicated by your tracker. Watch for a bright point moving steadily across the sky. Seeing the International Space Station pass overhead connects you directly to human space exploration. Inside that moving light are astronauts living and working in orbit, conducting experiments and maintaining equipment that benefits life on Earth. Tracking and watching, the station turns space into a visible experience, makes the universe feel a little closer and more real.